I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to share with you something that helps me get through every single day. It's these Zyrtec allergy tablets, and you get 90 in this container here, and they are 10 milligrams each. I take one of these every single day, and it really does help me with my allergies. This is what they look like. So just a small white tablet. So it's easy to swallow, and they work so well for me. I typically wake up in the morning with allergies, and about an hour after I take one of these, I'm good for the rest of the day. I don't have to continue to pop allergy pills. So I absolutely love using this Zyrtec. It really does help me and makes me feel better and helps me to actually function better throughout the day. So if you suffer from allergies, I definitely think you should give Zyrtec a try. And that's my point of view.